Welcome back, and now we will see nested if statement. In the nested if statement, I will show you the syntax. Like what will happen, we will write a condition in the if, and then we can write the statements inside the if, and we can again write the if statement inside the if. Like this first if, and then inside this first if we have some statements, and then we have one more condition of the if, or we have more than condition of if, elif, else. All these are conditions inside the if statement. This is called the nested if inside the if. Now we will see a program using the nested if. Like here, I'm taking a user input x is equal to int. I'm taking a user input x as an integer, and then I'm checking if x is greater than 50 or not. If x greater than 50, colon, I'll print value is greater than 50. Else value is less than 50. Okay, now I just want to check the another condition. Like if x is greater than 50, then I'll check if x is greater than 100 or not. So inside this first if condition, I need to write one more condition. If x greater than 100, then we will print value is greater than 100. Else we will print value is less than 100. Okay, now you can run this code, and if I'm entering a user input 75, then you can see first of all it will check this if, and all these statements are inside this if statement. So first of all, x greater than 50, this condition is true, value is greater than 50. Okay, if x greater than 100, then this print will be executed, otherwise this else condition will be executed. So x is not greater than 100, so else condition value is less than 100. Okay, and if we are entering a value less than 50, then it will directly come out to this else condition and print value is less than 50. So this is one if, and inside we have written one more if, and you can write more conditions like this. Now you should clear with the Python decision making. We have done some examples, and you will find some questions in the assignment.